Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Ducati Monster 821 Stealth. Super cool paint scheme, twin cylinder, only 5,736 miles. This bike has ABS, it has traction control. Beautiful condition. Come on by, make your Ducati naked sport bike dreams come true for just $11,999. This bike will not be here long. It's in beautiful shape. It's got the bar end mirrors, adjustable levers. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.